Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to your favorite channel, PhDNs. In One Journal, 1 Minute lecture series, episode number 6, we have brought you a new journal for free which you can publish. And this journal is published by Elsevier, one of the reputed publishing houses in scientific fraternity. So, if you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and bell notification so that you will not miss any of the research related videos in coming days. So, let's jump onto the video. The today's journal is fundamental research. It has an impact factor of 6.2 with the site score of 4, and here you can see the aims and scope of this journal. It publishes articles related to mathematics, physics, chemistry, chemical engineering, life science, earth science, engineering and material science, information science, management, health, and medical sciences, interdisciplinary sciences. So it is an interdisciplinary journal. If you can see the inside, the review process takes nearly 3 months, and if you want to publish your article in this journal, then please read the guide for authors for more information. So you will be able to prepare according to the journal format. So with this, let me conclude today's video, and this article publishes for free. So see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice life ahead. Good luck.